Hey everyone, how's it going? I am very aware that my last jumping tutorial video was not clear. It was terrible quality and I can't draw circles. So, altogether, in conclusion, it was a terrible video. So I'm going to re-upload that video and show you guys how to make, your model jump. But, like, actually show you. Okay, so you need to load your model in first, obviously. Make sure your center bone is selected. You need to click move, which is here, and then hold the green arrow, and then you can just play with that. So, see that it automatically goes down. So put it back to its normal position, and click register. This register, bone manipulation register, not model manipulation, bone manipulation. And then just keep frame manipulation there. And then, oh no, the skirt's twitching or whatever. Then you make your model go down like this, by just dragging the green arrow down. Then click register and change this to 10. And then she should kind of twitch, but then stay still. If she goes back to our starting position, then you've done something wrong and you start again. And then bring her up by pulling up the green arrow, register, and 20, and then bring her back down again, register, 30, and then bring her back to her normal position, register, 40, and then click play, display here, and then repeat. You should get this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped. I'm aware that last upload was absolutely horrific. I hope this one will help a bit more. Okay, that's it for today. Bye!